In this video, we'll see what is an abstract method and abstract class in Java. Here I have listed out some of the points as well as some of the definitions like abstract method, abstract class, concrete class, and the points to remember while implementing abstract class and methods. So now we'll start off with the abstract method and abstract class. So let's see by creating a file which is abstract.demo.java. So we'll simultaneously look into these points as well as we'll write the code here. So let's start off by creating a class, my class. So what is an abstract method? As we have seen here, abstract method is a declaration of method and hiding the implementation part. So we just need to declare the method. We don't need to write the logic. We are just declaring the method. So let's declare the method void method1. I'll give it as method. Okay, so I have declared this method. So in order to make this abstract, I'll be using abstract keyword. Okay, now in order to make this class as abstract, I'll be using abstract here as well. So this is an abstract class with an abstract method. So inside this abstract class, we can have a normal method as well as abstract method. So we'll write the normal method, void method2. So this is a method2 system.out.println method2. So in this points section, I have said that abstract class can have abstract method as well as a normal method. So we'll see just with an abstract method as of now. We'll later on see the normal method inside the abstract class. So we have created an abstract class with an abstract method. Now we'll be using an inheritance concept to implement the method. Okay, what method? Abstract method. To implement this abstract method, we'll need a derived class where we can implement this abstract method. So for the derived class, we'll be also inheriting the my class. Whatever the attributes we have in the my class, we'll be inheriting using the inheritance concept. So we'll see by creating a class, my class1 extends my class. So this is a new class which extends my class. So whatever the attributes or properties we have, that will be inherited into my class1. Okay, now we have to implement this method inside this derived class, inside the child class. Okay, so now we'll see void method, and here system.out.println. Here we give method in my class. So this is an implementation for abstract method inside a derived class. So derived class is nothing but this is our derived class, my class1. Now we have to create an object. So in points to remember, we have a point like if any class is abstract, object cannot be created. If a class is concrete, object can be created. So concrete class is nothing but this is a concrete class. This is an abstract class. So this is a concrete class. This is an abstract class. For abstract, we cannot create an object. For abstract classes, we cannot create object. For concrete, we can create objects. So we'll create an object for my class1. So before creating, we'll write a class abstract demo. So now here we'll write public static void main string args, and here we'll create the object my class 1 obj equal to new my class 1. Okay, this is our object, and here using the object obj dot we'll call the method. So what method we are calling this method. Okay, we'll call this method. So here the method name is method itself. So I'm calling the method of abstract method. Okay, method of abstract class. Okay, so if I try to run it, okay, we will be getting the method in my class. Okay, this is the implementation and this is the abstract method. So for this abstract method, we are implementing it in the derived class. So we'll be getting this. Getting this output method in my class. As you can see here, we are getting the method in my class. Suppose we have a normal class. So earlier I have shown this normal class. Now I have copied it here. So if we have this class, if I try to call this using the obj dot method 2, will it run? Yes, it will definitely run. It will call this method 2. Okay, you can see method 2 is also executed. Okay, suppose this method, if I cut this out and paste it here inside the my class 1, which is a derived class. So here if I remove this and make it just a declaration, and I'll name it as abstract here. Now this is an abstract method and the class is also abstract. So now you can see my class 1 object cannot be created because it is an abstract class name. Okay, that is the reason why it is giving me the error. So my class 1 is no more an normal class. Okay, it is not a derived class now. It's no more a normal class, it's an abstract class. So now what we have to do is we have to implement this method to inside a derived class. So for that, we'll be creating another class. Let's say my class 3 extends my class 1. And here we'll be implementing this method to inside this derived class. Now this is a derived class. So we'll implement the method to here, void method 2, and we'll give system.out.println. This is method 2 from my class 1. Okay, so now we have to change this object to my class 3. Okay, my class 3. And if I try to run it now, what will it print? It will print my method in my class. This is method 2 from class 1. Let me save it and let me run it. As you can see, it is printing method in my class. This is method 2 from class 1. So in this way, we can perform abstract class and abstract methods in Java.